Hello friends, in this today's video, I will be unboxing the Hikvision wireless motion sensor which is compatible with the wireless Hikvision alarm kit. Friends, I am Sandeep Patil, your security expert. If you are liking my channel, please subscribe to it or hit the bell button here in below. Let's dive in. So we will be unboxing this Hikvision wireless motion sensor, and it's a wireless PIR, works with the Hikvision wireless kit. Okay, let's open it and see. So inside the box you get one small cute temper switch, which I think you need to install it separately. A pack of screws. I don't know why so much screws, but maybe, yeah, okay, for the bracket. So this is a mounting bracket. You can do the mounting. And here comes the cute baby. And there is an operating manual. So there is a light indication, LED indication, the sensor area. Okay, great. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, take care.